Hi, Natren here, and I have some great news for you today. We have a wonderful product that has been used by medical doctors, dermatologists, and special spas for the most beautiful face mask you can ever imagine. But with us, it's a product that you also ingest, but here it is. It's called DIGESTA-LAC. And we have on our website a whole little sheet of information telling you how to make it. But when you see how easy this is to make, we have it both in a vegan formula, which is chickpea, and all you have to do is open some capsules, and I'll show you how to mix it in a minute. Or you can get our dairy-based product, which is what the spas use, because we know that Cleopatra liked to bathe in milk, so we know how beneficial milk is to skin. So just hold on for a minute, and I'm going to get all those little things prepared and show you how easy it is to make your own face mask. And I promise, if you use it for 2 weeks, your skin will look like never before. And I'll show you what you can ingest every day, so you don't have to pay a fortune going to the dermatologist or plastic surgeons or spa to get your beautiful skin. Hold on just a minute, I'll be back. Hi, Natasha Trinith back here, and I've got my little, this is the chickpea powder DIGESTA-LAC that I told you could use. And I'm gonna pour in about a half a teaspoon of filtered water. And then what we wanna do is mix until it looks like a nice paste. So you keep mixing, and you can add more water if you need. Looks like this one needs a little bit more water. Oops, you're not supposed to drop the spoon. That's a no-no. So I'm gonna put another half a teaspoon in there, just until you get the right consistency so it's easy to spread on your face. Now, if you don't have an oily face and you have more dry, you can add a couple of drops of olive oil to this. You can use whole organic milk, or you can use almond milk. And so here's the paste. Let me put some on. Let me get my friend to put some on. We're gonna have a little bit of a spa day. And then I'm gonna tell you what you put on your face every day for 20 minutes. You put this on your face. We're only gonna do half a face, so I made half a batch here. So what you wanna do is, here I had 4 capsules of this dairy-free DIGESTA-LAC. Take a look at the label. It's a green label. It's one of the best products in the world. Or you can use the dairy-based product, which comes in a blue label, and it's also called DIGESTA-LAC. So here is just enough amount for about half a face. You can take 8 capsules and put in a whole teaspoon of water, and you can make it for the whole face. So stick around. We're gonna put some on and then show you what it looks like. Hey, here I am. I just put half of it on my face. You can see it's really nice. Boy, it feels cool and soothing, and I just feel it pulling, and I feel such a gentle coolness on my skin. It's wonderful. So you can leave it on for 20 minutes or more, and then I'm going to wait 20 minutes or more. I'm going to take my Healthy Trinity, which has been used in clinical studies by a very prominent dermatologist in Alberta, Canada, to make skin beautiful again when it was troubled, and actually did as well as the antibiotic he prescribes without causing harm to the patient. So take one of your Healthy Trinity every day, twice a day, and do this mask for at least a week every day, and you will not believe what your skin looks like. Hold on, I'm gonna wash this off in a little while and show you the change, and you will be amazed. Thank you. Hi, it's Natasha here with Deborah, and we just have our masks, and they dried, and it's a wonderful 20 minutes. Deborah said that it was really cooling, so you can tell the folks how cooling your mask is and how wonderful you feel. And now we're gonna go wash it off. It actually takes 10 minutes to wash it off with a washcloth, just warm water, and then your skin should feel terrific. Okay, hold on, give us a couple of seconds to wash it off. Hi, Natasha Trinith. I just took off the mask on this side, if you can see, and this side I still have my makeup. Blend it in a little bit, but see the face? Like, I'm 74 years old. I've never had plastic surgery. I've never had anything injected into my face. All I've had was facials all my life. I use the DIGESTA-LAC facial at least once a week, and it's kept my face beautiful and hydrated. And if your face is dry, you can add a little bit of olive oil to the water. You can add whole organic milk. Just experiment and see what your face likes. And guess what? You need to take the Healthy Trinity every day if you want your face to be beautiful from the inside. Because remember, 80% of the beauty of your skin happens from the inside. Here's the Healthy Trinity. You take one of these once a day or twice a day, depending on what your skin needs, and just take care of your skin from the inside out. and it will be beautiful as you age, and it won't wrinkle, it won't look terrible. And everybody says, oh, it's your genes. Yes, genes do predispose you, but they don't promise you beautiful skin as you age. So Healthy Trinity, DIGESTA-LAC, and a little bit of water, and you make a little paste, and you put that on your face for 20 minutes every day, and then give me the results in 2 weeks. I promise you, you never look better in your life, and then you'll thank me for doing this for you. Thanks, have a great day, and we talk soon, okay?